How to secure your PDF with a password. Try SysTools PDF Lock software. Let's discuss key features. Secure PDF files with advanced encryption. It locks PDF documents to protect confidential information using AES 256-bit encryption. Customizable permissions and password options. It sets document or permissions passwords to control access. Efficient batch processing. It locks multiple PDF files at once with add file or add folder options to save time. User-friendly reporting and workflow. It generates a detailed CSV report after processing for future reference. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools PDF Lock software. Now click on the first link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools PDF Lock software. At the top left, you'll find the first option, Add. On the right, under Add, there are two choices, Add File and Add Folder. Use Add File to import individual or multiple PDF files, or select Add Folder to import entire folders containing PDFs, ideal for handling larger datasets. Let's click on the Add File option. Alternatively, you can choose Add Folder if needed. Select your PDF files, then click Open. Once imported, the panel displays the file names and their paths. You'll also see columns showing the file sizes, permissions, and passwords. Two additional options become available after importing. Use Remove to delete selected files or Remove All to clear the list and start fresh. Next, in the Destination Path section, you can choose where the exported files will be saved. By default, the destination is set to the desktop, but you can change it by clicking the Change button, selecting a folder, and clicking OK. Please note, a password is required only for protected files. If a file is already password protected, you'll need to provide its current password to modify it. This column also indicates whether a file is already password protected. Once everything is set, click Next to proceed. The Settings panel is now open. Let's enable the Apply Document Restriction option. The first setting is Printing Allowed, which is set to Not Allowed by default, meaning the protected PDF file cannot be printed. Users can modify this setting by clicking the drop-down menu. If needed, they can select Low Resolution 150 dpi to allow printing in low quality or choose High Resolution for high-quality printing. In the Changes Allowed section, the default setting is set to Not Allowed, which prevents any modifications to the PDF file. If you want to allow changes, click on the drop-down menu to select options. The first option, Inserting, Deleting, and Rotating Pages, allows users to perform these specific actions. The second option, Filling in form fields and signing existing signatures, enables users to fill forms and add signatures. The third option, Commenting, Filling in form fields and signing existing signatures, allows commenting in addition to filling forms and signing. The fourth option, Any except extracting pages, permits all actions except extracting pages. In the option Enabling copying of text, images, and other content, users can allow the copying of text, images, and other content from the PDF. The option Enable text access for screen reader devices for the visually impaired allows users to make the text accessible to screen reader devices. Users can also set a password for document restrictions. Once a password is set, it will be required to modify these permissions. Simply enter the password in the provided field, confirm it by re-entering. The next setting is Apply Document Open Password. Enabling this option requires users to enter a password to open the PDF file. Let's enable this option. Simply enter the desired password in the provided field and re-enter it to confirm. You can also choose the Keep Source PDF Password for Protected Files option to retain the original password for already protected files. In the Encryption Type section, users can select the level of protection they want to apply. There are 4 options available: RC4x40, RC4x128, AES128, and AES256. For the strongest security, AES256 is recommended, so we'll select that. Users can customize all these settings based on their specific file requirements. With all settings configured, click the Lock button to proceed. A window will appear with a message confirming that the PDF files have been locked successfully. Click OK. A summary report will be displayed, showing the total file count as 10, the success count as 10, and the failed count as 0. The destination path of the locked PDF files is also shown. Users can quickly access the folder containing the exported PDF files by clicking the destination path, highlighted in blue. The software has also generated a report for the files, which is especially helpful for larger datasets. Now let's open one of the locked PDF files. Enter the password you set in the software and click OK. Next, let's try opening another PDF file. And that's it. That's how you can secure your PDF with a password using SysTools PDF Lock software.
Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.